Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a journal with me in my Give Thanks in All Things junk journal from Cheaply Chic. I am on her design team and I wanted to share an idea that I had with you. I hope that the idea I have in my head will execute into the paper and be what I think it is. So that's my hope for today. So if you haven't seen my first video on this, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you in my description box, and if I remember I'll try to do an eye, but I always forget to do those. Anyway, I first want to put my bookmark in the planner. So I'm going to do that first. And then what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use, I think I'm actually, I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to use, I'm going to do this first. Let's see. I'm going to put it right here. Don't ask me how, why, I don't know. And then I'm gonna I use this crystal clear tape from the Dollar Tree, and I just tape it in. And I try to put it just right at the bottom, just so it dangles just a little bit at the bottom, and then of this tape because you cannot see it pretty much at all. And then it'll be like that. Okay, and then I think I'm going to go ahead and glue the little hearts onto the strings. I like that she did like a raffia string this time. So I just put a little tiny dab of Fabrifix. And put that little string in between. I like the little leaf on that one, so definitely gonna use that side. All right, so now let's go ahead and see about executing the idea. So one of the things that she gave us was these cute little cupcake liner things. I think she said you got them at Hobby Lobby. And what I want to do is I'm going to put this on here. It's going to hang off the edge a little bit, so I will need to trim it. I think I'd rather trim it on this side. So I'm trying to make a little mark. And I think I'm just going to use glue stick. Because I don't really want to decoupage it on there. which would definitely be another option. But I don't want to wait for the drying time. All right, so now my thought process was to basically fill this page, basically to make like a little wreath with these little sequence pieces. So I'm not going to be like super particular about it. I think what I'm going to do, hold on, sorry, just one second, let me, I feel like I need to clip this down. Hold on, I don't know how to do this. Let me, I need to clip this page down. Okay. So I don't think I'm going to be too particular. I'm literally just going to go for it. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Literally just going to go for it, which is completely not like me. Usually I have to plan everything out and lay everything out, and I'm not going to do it this time. Just going to put dollops of glue. It's going to get real stringy. I do want to try to have, oh no, the colors came off of that one, but that's all right. It's a changing leaf. I do want to have the leaves going in different directions. And I feel like it's going to be one of those things where the more you add, the better it's going to look. Get off my nail! So I'm just going to go around. I hope this glues. I hope this stays. I want to have at least one layer down, and then I'll start kind of building up. I think I'm actually going to use one of the pumpkins on the side, and then maybe a couple of the acorns, but the acorns are so much bigger. Oh, I don't think that matters. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep going. I do have to make sure I kind of stay off of the side. This glue is gonna mess up my manicure. trying not to touch it with my fingernails. I feel like it's coming together. Let's see. Do I want to add a pumpkin? I was thinking about like adding a pumpkin. What about acorns? I have 3 and they're in different colors. I'm kind of placing these because the color kind of lets them blend in. Okay, well, I think I'm just going to go ahead and continue adding the leaves. I'm just going to use them all, I think. Dripping. I feel like we need something right here. I need a tan one right there. So one thing about Fabri-Tac, it definitely is stringy glue. Okay, let's see. I think I need another one right there. I really think I want to use a pumpkin, but I'm really liking the pumpkin. I'm really liking it. Not really getting the pumpkin vibe. Let's see. Let's put that one right there. It needs it needs a red one right there. Okay, so most wreaths have bows, so let's look at the fibers. Let's see if any of these, I could use this one because it's like mostly, that looks mostly like a ribbon. Well, because it is a ribbon. so I'm going to put this at the top. I may actually put a little bit of glue inside here so that it stays together. There. I think it looks good. I like it. So that was my idea for what I thought when I saw this, and when she was going through it, I was like, oh, that's what I want to try to do. Make a little wreath. So, okay, so I just like to have a little label on the front so that I could say what this is. Let's see. Do I want to add a little fiber to the back? Or something to the back of it? I think I'm going to ink up the sides. Okay, so there is the little wreath that I created, and then my little hearts on there and my bookmark, and I think it turned out really cute. I'm going to actually keep it open so that it fully sets and dries, and yeah, I really like it. I think that it turned out really cute. It definitely looks like what I had in my brain, so that's all you can ask for, right? All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again next time. Bye for now.